Hi, this is Dave over at US Appliance. I want to talk to you about this stainless steel side-by-side, GE profile. Look at the door. We have water, crushed, cubed ice, quick ice, lock control, a door alarm, the light, and you can reset your water filter all from the outside of the door. Here's all, put your cup right there, all that I have. Let's take a look inside. This is the freezer department with integrated ice system. We got shelving storage, tilt shelving, slides, sliding drawers, and check out the computer controlled temperatures. What we have here, you can adjust your freezer temperature right here. You have custom cool, express thaw, express chill. You can select your temperature for meat, produce, or citrus. You got your turbo cool. You can also adjust your refrigerator temperature right here. You want it colder, press there. You want it warmer, press there. And if you look inside, you have your filter inside. Water, Smart Water Plus, right there in the back. And you got your climate keeper in the back. Each drawer is controlled. You got humidity controlled here, deli fresh right here, and at the bottom you have your express thaw, express chill, and your temperature select all in one drawer. You put it in there, you want it cold in about 5 minutes, this is the drawer to do it. You look up here, these are your drawer shelves. Nice. Hold your drinks right here, Coca-Cola, 7-Up, beer, whatever you have. Nice shelving, nice see-through. Don't have to look much to see this. So come on down and make me an offer on this GE profile. We're at 138 South State Street, Hemet, California. The phone number is 951-765-0010. I'll see you when you get here.